The Bronx is one of the 5 boroughs of New York City, located in the northern part of the city. It is known for its rich cultural history, diverse communities, and vibrant arts scene. Here are some key points about the Bronx. Home to iconic landmarks such as Yankee Stadium, the New York Botanical Garden, and the Bronx Zoo, one of the largest zoos in the world. The birthplace of hip-hop, the Bronx has a significant influence on music and culture globally. Boasts extensive green spaces, including Pelham Bay Park, which is the largest park in NYC, and Wave Hill, a public garden and cultural center. Known for its diverse neighborhoods, each with unique cultural influences, particularly strong Hispanic and African American communities. Hosts important educational institutions like Fordham University and the Bronx Community College, which features the Hall of Fame for Great Americans. Historically faced economic challenges, but ongoing development and community initiatives are contributing to revitalization efforts. Well connected by public transportation, including multiple subway lines, buses, and major highways, making it accessible to and from other parts of NYC. The Bronx offers a blend of urban life, cultural richness, and natural beauty, making it a unique and dynamic part of New York City.